Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial of Astro-COLIBRI. Today we are going to talk about the sky map. This is the widget located in the center of your screen. Yes, right there. It allows you to place the latest transients in their sky coordinates, giving an idea of where these objects are in the night sky. Let's dive into it, shall we? First of all, what are all those colors and shapes? Keep this in mind. Shape corresponds to the event type, like GRB, supernova, burst, etc., while the color tells us what instrument triggered the alert. The nice blue line represents the galactic plane, the position of our own Milky Way on the sky. Finally, both the sun and the moon are also present. The moon shape even changes with its different phases. Now, let's go back to our platform. If you go in the sky map area, you will be able to zoom in and out using your mouse or touchpad. You will of course also be able to move the screen with just simple clicks. You can also click on the source you are interested in on the map. The card tiles on the left will move to the event you just selected, and the information about this event will be displayed on your right. You can then zoom on the event by clicking the zoom button. You will then be brought to a sky map containing all of the sources which are in a 10 degrees radius of your source of interest, marked by a clear gray line limit. This includes your typical transient sources, but also some catalog sources from the 4FGL Fermi catalog in gray squares, IceCat catalog as gray circles, and TevCat catalog as red squares. Now, let's come back to the main screen, thanks to the latest transients button, and finish with a couple more features. In order to find these, we have to switch to science mode. This can be done with the bright violet button on the top panel. This screen may seem a little overwhelming at first glance. Do not worry. We have many other YouTube tutorials explaining every feature you can see here. You can check those out after you finish this one. Let us come back to the sky map. First of all, you see these green contours around the GRB we just selected. These correspond to the localization uncertainty of the alert. In other words, the sky area from where the event may have come from. These contours are available both in the regular sky map and using the zoom button, which is called cone search in science mode. The light green line corresponds to a 68% confidence, while the dark green sets a 95% confidence area. Now in science mode, all of the shown transients in your sky map can be controlled by your selected filters, as well as your own selected time range. Please go to their own tutorial videos for more information. Finally, the default sky map is shown in an elliptical shape, using equatorial coordinates in degrees, and in a hammer-Itov projection. Please check our next video to know how to change and customize these. That is all for today. Thank you for following this tutorial. Feel free to take a look yourself at astro-colibri.com, and to reach out to the development team for any question. All information is on the description. Flying off.